Hallo julle.
Hi.
Ag ons is al so môre 'n week hier in die Kaap, nee gister 'n week in die Kaap.
Ja.
En sommige voel ons wil 'n bietjie terugvoer gee. Het voel vir ons als is 'n maand.
So.
Alles wat al gebeur het, alles wat ons al beleef het. It's really been a wonderful experience for us visiting Josh Chen and so we arrived last Friday at about 4 o'clock, meeting met our hosts, and then we went straight into a elders weekend for the whole of Josh Chen. I sent through a short clip of the worship there. About 400 elders and potential elders just joining together, and absolutely amazing to see how God is building his church through leadership, and how he uses, it seems to me, I told someone yesterday, he uses sort of the unseemingly. He uses anyone who puts up his hand.
Yes.
And says, Lord, pick me, use me, play me. Of course, he then goes to work and he builds on character, and he builds on, whatever is needed so that you will represent him well. But it's amazing to see just all sorts of people being used in the hands of God. And we've had wonderful opportunities with our hosts who are elders in the One Josh Chen congregation. Spent some time with them and the lead elder of that congregation one evening, just caring and braaiing, and afterwards everyone ministered to us so beautifully, prophetically.
So amazing. Even
to the daughters, and I must say that we're so excited about the plan God has, and we got the opportunity to sit in on their elders meeting, which was very insightful for me. I must say I'm very overwhelmed by the size of the elder teams. We're not talking about 2 or 3 people that give direction to the church, but it's teams of 8, 9, 10, even
Couples.
12 elders coming together, and the wives joining in and discussing the church and just seeing what God wants to do with the church. And it's a beautiful thing. It's something that that my eyes are being opened to, is the beauty of the plurality of leadership, and that it doesn't take one. It doesn't take Lillian and I and even Yaku and I to lead the church. It takes many. Team. There's no I in team, eh? So it's beautiful. As you can see, we've got the opportunity now to have a day of rest. We're in Swellendam, and already we've had 2 encounters. Last night I had the opportunity to go with a group of men, just coming together to minister to the needs of one guy in the congregation, one youngish guy who was struggling with a few things, and the men just decided to rally around him and to pray for him and see what the Lord is revealing, and just lead him in a time where he can discover what the Lord is showing him, that can help him be healthy, that can help him be a good husband and a good father, and to deal with his innermost issues. But it's not done by one person. It's not counsel in terms of just sitting in a room with somebody. It's a group of men coming around him to help him with that. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful thing. Ons stop bietjie in die koelte. So dis so mooi. Dis so mooi om daai goeders te sien. En ons is so opgewonde as ons terugkom. Soos wat ek hierdie goed beleef, wys die Here vir my dat ons meer en meer en meer mense moet intrek. Een van die key phrases hierso is the priesthood of believers. Dit is almal van ons. Dit is nie net ek en Lillian wat die kerk lei nie. Dit is almal van ons. Ons almal is die kerk. En it's a beautiful thing to experience firsthand.
Yes. I think these are things that we've heard before. These are things that we know it in our heads, but to actually see it being modeled has just it does something inside of us. And I think the Lord is busy. This is what I sensed from the beginning. He's really busy forging something inside of us. And during this time, we
Yeah.
are so blessed. Our hearts are full. We're having a wonderful time as well. As you can see, just the Lord is spoiling us with wonderful hosts. And it's been quite intense this first week. So now we're taking a breather, and we've got beautiful nature around us. Yes, but the Lord is really busy with a very specific impartation.
Yeah.
We're excited.
Yeah, so we'll be in Swellendam this whole week. Once again, also sitting in on elders meetings, and I'm sitting on a hub meeting, which are all the lead elders of the Oeverberg area coming together. We'll be going to communities, and and it's amazing to see just how the Lord just uses people for His purposes. Church is a beautiful thing.
Oh, yes.
It's a beautiful thing.
And Jesus
So,
loves His church.
yeah. Next week we'll take a break as a family in Sedgefield, and I think once we're settled in there as well, we'll send another feedback to you guys. But we just want to say we miss you, we love you.
Yes.
Ons mis julle almal. Julle is in ons harte. En mag die Here sommer net terwyl ons ook weg is, in julle goeders oopbreek en losmaak, en die gap wat ons hopelik agtergelos het, mag die Here julle inspire om daai gap te vul, sodat wanneer ons terugkom, dat ons amper uit 'n werk uit is, en sodat ons na hoër hoogtes toe kan gaan as 'n gemeente. Maar ja, ons is lief vir julle, seën julle, en ons sien julle binnekort weer.